Hello, good morning, students. Welcome in today's class through online teaching. Students, in today's class, we are going to discuss character sketch of Donald Farfrae. We know very well that Donald Farfrae is one of the important characters of the novel The Mayor of Castlereagh, that is written by Thomas Hardy, who is a famous Victorian novelist and poet, and the novel was written in 1886, as we have learnt in our earlier class. There are many important characters in this novel like Michael Henchard, Elizabeth Jane, Donald Farfrae, Job, Evil Whittle, Newson. In today's class we will discuss character sketch of Donald Farfrae. So let's start. As we know that Donald Farfrae is a Scotchman, and he is very intelligent, handsome and educated. He knows and loves everything that is modern. He is aware of latest developments in the field of agriculture. He is the man who brings about a turn in the life of Henchard. Henchard, on the contrary, is rough and uneducated. He believes in superstitions and does not like the modern development and the latest tools and techniques. Farfrae and Henchard are two persons almost contrary to each other, if not altogether. Their qualities, both in social life and business, are contradictory. Farfrae's qualities bring him success, and he climbs from a very ordinary position to the mayorship of Castlereagh, and he maintains it. Henchard's hard labor also takes him high to the post of mayor, but because of qualities he loses his prestige socially and commercially even when he is the mayor. So now we will briefly discuss about Donald Farfrae's personality and his character qualities. Donald Farfrae is a young Scotchman. He is handsome, educated and enlightened. He knows and loves everything that is modern, and he is aware of latest developments in the field of agriculture. He is the man who brings about a turn in the life of Henchard. He is slim and his complexion is fair. It makes ladies attractive towards him. It also wins him the hearts of the townfolk. Elizabeth Jane, who is daughter of Michael Henchard, is attracted towards him. Lucetta, beloved of Michael Henchard, also forgets Henchard, with whom she has long relationship, and starts loving Farfrae at first sight when he comes to her residence to meet Elizabeth Jane. Farfrae loves everything that is modern. He likes all modern inventions in the field of agriculture. He keeps his accounts in modern way, and he wants new ideas and methods into Wessex. He is free, frank and sensitive person. On the other way, Michael Henchard, the hero of the novel, is of old ideas. It is through his scientific and systematic, while Henchard is superstitious and traditional. It is through his scientific method that he increases the prosperity of Henchard. He is not sentimental like Henchard. His sentiments do not prevail upon his reason. Donald Farfrae was a practical businessman mind. Donald Farfrae is a practical businessman. He reduces the wages of his employees, but his polite behavior makes them helpless to say anything. He is very thrifty. He likes Elizabeth Jane because of her thriftiness. Now we will discuss about the behavior of Donald Farfrae. Farfrae is very practical. He is polite in his speech, which wins him both money and respect. He pays less to his employees, but he very politely towards them, so his people do not feel it. Farfrae has very charming manners. Not only this, Farfrae remains respectful towards his former employers Henchard till end. His melodious voice makes him dear to the common people. He is very social person. He gets popularity with the people of Castorbrace in no time. People begin to respect Farfrae in place of Michael Henchard due to his good behavior. Now we can say that Donald Farfrae and Henchard are two most important characters of this novel, The Mayor of Castorbrace, and these two personalities almost contrary to each other. They are just opposite to each other. Farfrae's quality bring him success, and he climbs from a very ordinary position to the mayorship of Castorbrace and maintains it. No doubt he is one of the important characters of the novel. We cannot guess without Farfrae this novel. Farfrae is a practical businessman. He relaxes the wages of his employee, but his polite behavior makes them helpless to say anything. Farfrae loves everything that is modern. He is a modern person. He likes all modern inventions made in the field of agriculture. On the other hand, Henchard is of old ideas. He does not like modern inventions made in the field of agriculture. Farfrae is a practical man. He is very polite in his speech, which wins him both money and respect. He pays less to his employees, but he is very polite towards them, so his people do not feel it. On the other hand, Henchard is not polite in his speech. His impulsiveness takes him to the extreme. His employees are not happy with him on account of Henchard's rude behavior. Farfrae did not like Henchard's inhuman behavior with Abel Whittle, and Farfrae has very charming manners while Henchard does not. Not only this, Farfrae remains respectful towards his former employer Henchard till end. So we can say that Donald Farfrae is a handsome, educated and enlightened personality. He knows and loves everything that is modern, and he is the man who brings about a turn in the life of Henchard. Henchard, on the contrary, is rough and uneducated. He believes in superstitions and does not like the modern development and the latest tools and techniques. He is slim and his complexion is fair. It makes ladies attracted towards him. Donald Farfrae's behavior and his intelligence make him more popular than Henchard himself. Henchard grows jealousy of Farfrae's growing influence in business and social life of Castorbrace Town. Henchard sees him quite close to Elizabeth Jane, and he disapproves this intimacy. So we can say that Donald Farfrae not only rivals in Michael Henchard's love affairs, as well as he was rival in his business also.